Okay guys, I'm really excited about today's video because today I'm going to show you how you can spy your competitors, how you can outrank your competitors, and also how to get targeted free traffic from Google. And we are actually going to combine ChatGPT with another free software. Now guys, you usually have to pay from $50 to $200 per month for this kind of service. But like I said, this software is 100% free. Well, at least for now. And you can use it for ClickBank affiliate marketing, Digistore24 affiliate marketing, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, Share a Sale. You can even use it to promote your mailing list, your blog, your website. And it is really important for you to watch this video very carefully because I'm going to show you how to set up everything. So with that being said, let's start. Okay guys, so first thing we need to do, we need to go on Google, and here on Google we need to search Harpa AI, and we need to click here on Google Chrome extensions. And you need to add your Google Chrome extension to your Google Chrome. It is free, it is 100% free. I already did that. Now, next thing we need to do, we need to go back here on Google and we need to search our main keyword. In this case, let's just say, for example, I wish to target lazy keto diet meal plan. And now what I need to do, I actually need to spy my competitors. So for example, let's just say I wish to spy this article here. I will click here, and now what you need to do, this is important, you need to press Alt A on your keyboard. And now here you can see Harpa AI. So what we need to do, we need to click here, /, and here we need to find, let me just find what I'm actually looking for. Okay, I'm looking for this, extract and research SEO keywords. I need to click here, and then I need to click here, page text, and then just click here on enter, and that's it. Give it a few seconds, and now Harpa will actually analyze keywords on this article here. Just give it a few seconds. As you can see, it already started. And here you can see they are actually giving you keywords, they are giving you keyword density, and they are even giving you LSI keywords. Now, for now, you don't need to know what LSI keywords are. It is just important that you know that LSI keywords are actually important. And like I said, here you can see they are analyzing this article, and here you can see all the keywords that they actually used in this article and that they are actually ranking on Google for these keywords here. And here you can see keyword density. Keyword density is important. So the next thing we need to do, we actually need to go back here on Google and we need to go on ChatGPT. And let me just click here. And now what we need to do, we need to click here on human written article, okay, and here we need to choose English. And now we need to give it a prompt. I can say something like this: write this entire article, lazy keto diet meal plan. But this is not everything. And also what I need to do, I actually need to tell ChatGPT to target these keywords here that we actually get from Harpa AI. So I can say something like this, okay? Paste this. Here you can see, write this entire article, lazy keto diet meal plan. That is my main keyword. And here you can see, this is the keyword density information for this article. Please try to use these keywords and LSI keywords sprinkled naturally through entire article. That is really important. And what I need to do next is, I actually need to copy these keywords here that Harpa AI actually gave me. So I will simply Ctrl+C, and I need to copy these keywords, okay? And I can say something like this, okay? Okay, here you can see I included keywords and I included this entire article. But another thing that I can also do is I can go back here on this article, and then I can, again, /, and let me just find what I'm actually looking for. Give me a second, okay? Okay, outrank SEO article. Click here, and then again, page text, okay? And press on enter. And now they will actually write a summary of this article. That is really important. Now they will not rewrite this article, they will simply write a summary of this article. And when we go back here, you can see I already said use point of reference as a helper. And here I can actually add a point of reference. Okay, point of reference. And then I can simply go back here and I can use this summarized article that they actually wrote for me. I can simply copy this, okay? I can copy this entire article, Ctrl+C, and I can go back here on ChatGPT and I can use that, okay? And all I have to do is just paste that here, and now all I have to do is just press enter, and now ChatGPT will write an entire article for me, and they will actually target my main keyword, lazy keto diet meal plan, and they will also include all of these keywords here with this density for each keyword. That is really, really important, and it will also include these LSI keywords. Like I said, LSI keywords are important, and here you can see they are writing that article for me. So what you need to do, you need to publish this article on your blog, on your website. But I would actually suggest you to publish that article on vocal.media, because vocal.media has a big authority on Google, and also they allow affiliate links, as you can see here. Here you can see they allow affiliate links. Now I will not show you how to publish articles on Vocal Media because I already showed you that many times. But what you need to do, you need to simply publish this article here. If this happens, you can simply say continue writing where you stop, okay? And it will continue writing this article. It is not a big deal, okay? But after you publish that article, you actually need to find affiliate products that you wish to promote. Now, for this purpose, I'm going to use Digistore24 affiliate marketing. So I'm here on Digistore24 marketplace, and here I will simply search keto, press enter, and here you can find there is lots of keto related products that you can actually promote. And here you can see custom keto diet. Now that is related to lazy keto meal plan, and I can promote this product and I can earn 26 euros per sale on average. That is a good product, and like I said, you need to include your Digistore24, in this case, affiliate link in your Vocal Media article. But just publishing article on Vocal Media won't do much. You actually need to start building backlinks. But how do you build backlinks? Again, you can go back here on ChatGPT, and what you need to do, you need to click here on New Chat, okay? And then here you can say something like this. Give me a list of article submission websites to create backlinks, and press enter. And now ChatGPT will give you a list of article submission websites where you can submit your article. And these websites are actually big authority websites. So let me just copy, for example, Easy in Articles. So I will simply copy this, and I will go on Ahref Authority Checker, okay? And let me just click here, and when I click here, and when I paste that here, okay, and press enter, give it a second to actually verify that I'm a human being. Here you can see Easy in Articles has domain authority of 88. That is almost maximum authority. 20 million backlinks, 88% are do follow. 163,000 linking websites, 86% do follow backlinks, which is really, really important. So what you need to do, you simply need to go back here. Let me just go back here. And you need to, for example, click on this article here. And you need to, again, you simply need to Alt-A, and you need to analyze this article here as well. You need to find keywords, keyword density, LSI keywords. And you need to write a summary of this article. And same thing, go back here on ChatGPT and tell it to write you a new article that you will publish on Easy in Articles. And then just go back here, and you need to analyze this article here, another competitor. And again, go back here, tell ChatGPT to create you a new article summarizing based on this article here. And then publish that article here on Article Biz, then on Article Factory, Go Articles, and so on and so on. All of these websites here have a big authority. You can also publish this on medium.com. Also, medium.com has a huge authority on Google, and in that way you will create backlinks to your Vocal Media article, and you will outrank all of these guys here on first page on Google, and you will start getting targeted free traffic from Google to your Vocal Media article. And actually, let me just copy this keyword here. Copy this, and I will go back here, and let me just find keyword research. Let me just delete this. Keyword generator, okay? Keyword generator. Now I'm using free version of Ahref. Paid version is amazing, but it is expensive. So I'm using free version because I'm guessing that most of you don't have money to pay for a paid version of Ahref. So I will simply paste this keyword here. I will target United States. click here, find keyword, give it a second to verify, and here you can see keyword difficulty is 21, but only 40 people search this keyword. But let me just close this and I can simply delete this part here. Again, I will target United States, click here, find keyword, give it a second to verify, and here you can see lazy keto diet. Keyword difficulty is 24. Actually, it is not that difficult to rank on first page on Google for this keyword, especially if you publish article on vocal.media, because vocal.media has a huge authority on Google. And here you can see 2,500 people is searching this keyword here every month on Google in United States. Add Canada, add United Kingdom, Australia, and you will get more than 5,000 people. But 5,000 targeted free people, and you will start getting people here reading your article, and you will also start getting people click on your affiliate link, and you will also start getting people buying your product, and you will start making 26 euros in this case on average per sale. Trust me guys, this works. It takes a bit of work, it takes a bit of time, but this actually works. This 100% works, guys. You will start make money with ClickBank affiliate marketing, with Digistore24 affiliate marketing. I can guarantee 100% with this free method. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.